Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel Trade Live with Precise Trader. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. With that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, today the data that is going to be out, I think there isn't any data. I know only the ECB president is going to give a talk. And we had this morning, early in the morning, New Zealand CPI came out quarter on quarter as expected. Forecast was 0.5 and came out to be is 0.5. So no data out. So I think with that we move on to our live analysis. Okay, let's start off with euro. Okay, the euro right now is the trend is flat with an upside view on the hourly and also on the daily, and uptrend on the weekly. So we should be looking to go for a buy and hold or cautious buy, okay, within the range. If you're selling, then it has to be near the high with a very tight stop, so these are the trade setup which we can look for, and the range we are looking at is between 103.95 to 104.35, and expect the 435 to break, but on the 15-minute right now I think we don't have seeing any strength, so we got to wait. Okay, then the PT zones, I think we are seeing some support at on the daily, but your 360 12 hours is flat, and also we are seeing strength on the weekly as well. This is trading above the previous week high, which is 103.55. So as long as the price is above 103.55, we expect the price to go higher, test the high and break the high. Okay, so looking at this right now, the market is trading at 104.13, and the high is 104.35, which is also the high, the previous day high, and the low is 103.95. So we should be looking to buy somewhere, buy and hold between slightly above 103.40. okay, so that should be the level to buy and hold. Okay, then if your 104.35 breaks, then we can see 465 and 480. Okay, so this is what the system is telling us. So let's see how is the chart. Chart, what we are seeing is right now the market is consolidating, and once it breaks this high, expect the price to go towards 105.30 or 465 and 480. So any one of these three levels. So as of now, this market is in a consolidation, so I expect this price to come down a bit, then eventually move up. So we can go for a buy somewhere near 103.70. Okay, 370 or 365, with the stop below 340. 340 is a key level to pay attention. So once it breaks, then we should see the price moving higher. So let's see what signal we have given based on this. Okay, we are getting, we have already shorted. Okay, we already shorted at 430, and we are trying to lock in at 380. So then we have a buy order at 370. Okay, 370, stop 340 and 480, and this is also one lot. I think this is a good to go. So the only thing is we are given here 430. So I think we may want to cancel or reduce it, okay, because I think we don't want to put in this is a counter trend, so maybe I think we'll cancel it. Okay, we don't because since we are already having a trade, so let's let that be and let it work. Okay, so let's move on to the next currency. Okay, pound. Pound, the hourly is flat with an upside view, daily is flat with an upside view, weekly this is an uptrend. So we should be going for a cautious buy or buy and hold. And the range we are looking for is between 12295 and 12360. So expect the high to break and we should be buying near 12295. So that should be our call. Okay, then if you look into the pound, okay, the daily shows up, weekly is also up. 12305 is the key level to pay attention because that is the weekly previous week high. So above this, expect it to go higher, test 60 and break higher. So we go for a buy and hold. Okay, looking at the pound here, right now this is trading at 12330 and your previous low is 12230, so we should be looking to buy somewhere near that. So which means either 2280 or 2260. Okay, so that should be your buying level and expect your 360 to break. If it breaks, we can see 410 and even higher, which is 460. Okay, let's see what the chart is giving us. Okay, chart is also giving us a similar situation. Okay, we expect the high to break, so we should be looking to buy at 123 or 12280. Okay, this should be your okay, 12280 should be your buying level. So if you're selling, try to sell near exit within this level. Okay, so that should be our trade setup. Okay, so either we should be looking to buy cheaper or we try to sell near the high with the cautious thing, because this is still in a range. Let's see what we have given. Okay, we have given a sell at 12350 and 55 and we have 12415 and 12270 one lot. Okay, so if we are giving 2, I think this is a counter trend. I think this one also I think we can cancel because we don't want to take too much of risk on this. So we'll just go for one sell, and this expiry I think we reduce it to 3 o'clock. Okay, we reduce it to 3 o'clock, so that is only okay, so I think this is also valid trade, but this is a counter trend, so you just have to be careful. So if you want to take, you take, otherwise I think you let go this trade. I think we should be going for buy and hold. That should be the trade. So next let's move on to our dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, your 360 says flat with an upside view, daily flat with a downside view, weekly this is flat. So the range we are looking for is somewhere between 15535 and 15595. Okay, and of course the next one is 15620. So daily is flat with a downside view. Hourly is flat with an upside view. So we can be either going for a sell and hold, because your daily we have two consecutive down close. Okay, so I think it looks like the market may have seen the top on the daily. So for confirmation, we look into the PT zones. PT zones, I think 15620 is a key level, and we also have a weekly strong sell. Okay, which means to say that we should be going for a sell and hold, or cautious sell. Okay, looking here, we are seeing 15580. So we should be looking to sell somewhere near 15620 or slightly higher, but below 15660, which is your current week high. So we'll try to sell at 20 or 50, and the 5570 has to break. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving towards 15540. Okay, so let's confirm it with the chart. Okay, the chart looks very so-called very choppy. So, and we should see the price not going above 15650. Okay, 15650. So here, what we can do is we can go for a sell at 15. Either at 15620 or 15650. Okay, these are the two levels, and expect to take profit, because this is going to be a very choppy session. So we can't be very greedy on this. So we should be looking to sell here and exit before 15570 or 40. Okay, then this is a cautious sell. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have put a sell order at 15605 and 15650. 50 is one lot. 15605. This is a half lot. So maybe we can raise it to 20 and stop at 55 or 60. And 155 75 or 80, just 80, yeah. And this is also a half lot. Okay, so I think the revision is we just have to put in, so at least we have first entry and second entry. Okay, and this one also I think we're trying to exit before 5560. I think this should be okay. Then let's move on to the next currency. Okay, the next one we are looking at dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss, we have flat with the downside view on the hourly. Daily is flat with the downside view on the daily. Weekly, this is in a downtrend. Okay, so we should be holding sell and hold or cautious sell. And the range we are looking at is somewhere between 90 half and 90.80 or even 91.15. So this should be your selling level. Okay, let's see the dollar Swiss flat. Daily this is down. Weekly this is also down. Okay, and the weekly is below 90.80. So now the market is trading at 90.65. So we should be looking to sell above 80 or near 91.10. Okay, then expect the price to turn down. Okay, so right now this is below the previous week low, and current week low is 90 half. So I think selling at 90, 85 or 90 or 91.10, that should be the call, and exit before 90.50 or lower. So if 90.50 breaks, then we should see 90.30 and 90.005. Okay, so let's see how the chart looks. Okay, chart looks still down. We should be looking to sell at 90, 95 and 91.10. Okay, or 91, 91, 91, 91.10. Stop above this level and exit before this level, or if it breaks, then we can see 90, 30, 25 or 30. That should be our uh, target. So let's see. Okay, 90, 10. Okay. Okay, this is you're trying to buy. This is a counter trend, and exit before 90.85 and 91.10 and 90.60. I think this is also a valid call. Okay, so what we can do is we can go for one more sell. $19.95, 91.20 stop, and 90.50 is the low. So we should exit before 55 or 60. And this one, I think we can go on one lot because this is with the trend. Okay, so so this is there. So let's move on to the next currency. Okay, the next currency we are looking at Aussie. Okay, Aussie is flat with an upside view on the hourly, flat with the upside view on the daily, and uptrend on weekly. Okay, the patterns all are similar. So here the range we are looking at is 62.55 and 62.80. Expect the high to break. Then if it breaks, then it can push higher. Okay, so cautious buy or buy and hold. Then if you confirm it with the Aussie, I think right now this is trading in daily RL2, and this is trading above 62.50, which is your previous week high. So which means to say expect the high to break, which is 62.80. So if it breaks, we should see 63, 63.10 or even higher. Okay, so let's double confirm with the dashboard. Okay, right now it's 65. Current day low is 62.55. So we should be looking to buy near 62.10. Okay, which is 62.45 and 62.20 or 30. So this should be your buying level with a stop below 62.10, and expect the 280 to be tested. If it breaks, we can see 63.10. So this is what the system is saying. And let's confirm it with the chart. Okay, this is a typical inverse head and shoulders. So we can go for a buy $62.45. Remember, the system also set the same level. Then 62.30 should be your next buying level, and if it breaks, then we should see the price heading towards 63.10. So I think the chart and the system are giving us the same answer. So what we should be doing, we should be going for a buy, okay, at 40. We have given at 40. I think this is a valid call, 40. Then okay, we have a 20 and 63.10. I think this is also a valid call, but the only thing is the extension. I think the time, I think we have to give more time because this market is a bit slow and quiet. So probably we'll give until 10 o'clock. So this is the trade for Aussie. We are just changing the time. Okay, the next cross we are looking at is dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD, the trend is on the hourly is flat with the downside view. The daily is flat with the downside view. Weekly, this is flat. Okay, the range we are looking at is between 143.15 and 43.80. So we should be looking to sell somewhere near 43.80 and hold, sell or cautious sell. Okay, that should be our selling level. So looking at for confirmation on the PT zones, okay, we are seeing a strong sell on the daily, weekly also strong sell. So we go for a sell and hold or cautious sell. So the levels we can look for is, okay, we're not getting any levels here because it's 43.50 is a bit tight. Okay, we want to give a better level. So the levels we can say, because your previous day high is 45.15, so the market can break and go in between. So we should be looking to sell somewhere 44.05 or 44.60. That should be our sell, because the current high and your previous high has got about 160 pips away. Then we should see the price expecting that to test 143.15 and 142.90. If it breaks, then we can see 142.60. Okay, so here let's see the chart and get the exact figure for a sell. So looking at this, we try to sorry, this is okay, I think this is a wrong chart. Okay, looking at this, we try to sell at 43.85 or 44.20. Yeah, 44.20 should be your selling level. Okay, 43.80. If you are going further, then we should be 60. Okay, 60. I don't think I want to go that early. So we'll try to sell at 75. Okay, 70 or 75. Then exit before 43.30. Okay, so let's see what okay, we are putting at 75. and 30. I think this is a correct call. Okay, the only thing is we have given until 4. Probably we want to give until the next time belt. Then we have one more sell at 44.25. I think this is also a valid call. I think we can put in that. Okay, so let's move on to the next New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar, the trend is flat with an upside view on the hourly, daily flat with an upside view, weekly this is an uptrend. So expect the price to break the high and push higher. Okay, the high is 56.85 and we should be looking to buy near 56 half. Okay, so looking at here right now the market is 56.60. So we expect that 80 to break and push higher. So we go for buy and hold. Okay, but I think they are seeing some strength on the daily, so there is some weakness on the daily. So that one we have to be a bit careful. So here, since there is a weakness, we try to get it cheaper. Okay, we'll try to. The previous day low is 56.15, so we need to buy near that level. So which is 56. 56.20 or 30, that should be your level to go for a buy, and expect that 80 to break. If it breaks, then we can see 720 or 740. Okay, let's see the chart. The chart, okay, this is also similar, typical inverse head and shoulders. So we should be looking to buy near 40. Okay, we should be looking to buy near 40, exit before 80, or if your 80 breaks, then we try to exit at 720. Okay, which is also, the system is also giving us the same answer. Okay, I think we are trying to buy at 35 and trying to exit at 75. So 40, 35 is about 5 pips. I think let it work. And this one is 4 o'clock. Maybe we'll raise it to 5 or 6. That means until the next time belt. Okay, on the daily, we don't have any buying order. We can buy at give me a minute, 50. 50 is the low, Okay, put at 56, 25. I don't think we have nothing to lose. 56 and 57. 5705. So this one will go one lot, and we'll give until the next second time belt, which is 12 o'clock. So this is going to be a buy and hold. Okay, the next one we are going to look at is dollar Sing. Okay, dollar Sing hourly is flat with an upside view, daily is flat with a downside view, weekly this is in a downtrend. Okay, this is also a similar pattern. So the range we are looking at is 135 figure and 136 135.60. Okay, 135.60. So we should be looking to sell near or above 135.60. Okay, this is for sell, cautious sell or sell and hold. So right now the market is trading at 35 half. So we are seeing on the PT zones, the weekly, this is all in a downtrend below 36.30. So we should be going for a sell and hold. Anywhere near 36.30, that would be a, a good level to go for a sell. So looking at this, your previous day high is 36.15. So today's high should be below that or near that. So we can go for a sell at 36 36.10. Okay, and expect the 35 to hold or 35 to be tested. Okay, if it breaks, then of course it can go lower. So this should be expecting the price to go lower. Okay, looking at this, okay, right now this market is already started creeping up, so we should see the price turning down before this level 36.10. So 35.85.90 should be one level to sell, and 36.10. Okay, so these are the two levels, and I expect this low to be tested. If it breaks, then of course it can go lower. Okay, we are going for a buy, cautious buy at 35.20 and exit before 65. I think this is okay because market is showing some weakness, and this time belt is expected to show this strength. Then we don't have any selling call on the daily. $35.40, and this one will go for one lot and expiry until end of the day. Okay. Actually, since end of the day, we can go 10 pips higher. It's okay, 10 pips higher. Okay, next, let's see gold. Okay, gold is a strong uptrend. Huh? So we see 360, the 6 hours is up, daily up, weekly up. So don't think of selling this. We go for a buy and hold. The key level is 2746, So as long as this price is above this level, we expect the price to go higher. Okay. So now this is already at 52. Okay, I never realized this is 52. Just give me a minute. Okay, the thing is already broke. Okay, this is already broke. We should be getting okay, I didn't realize this thing broke. Okay, let me see. So definitely we should be going for a buy and hold on this. Okay, right now the high is 52. Okay, the high is 52. Expect the price to push higher. Okay, higher towards 60, 64, or even 72. Okay, so this is definitely, this is a buy and hold, don't sell. uh, okay, let me see this. Let me see this. Okay, I think we missed it. In fact, I wanted to buy at 48. Okay, let me check this. Okay, so here we expect this price to push higher towards either 68, 73, or even the previous high. You know, the previous high was what was the previous high? 2790. So if it breaks, then you know this is really going to go higher. Okay, so be very careful on this, because if your previous high can break, the next level we can see is towards 2862, 2890. Okay, or even 2950. So we got to be very careful on this. Best to buy and hold. Then what I can tell you is we should be looking to buy 48 and 42. Okay, 48 and 42. So today's low is 42. Today's low is 42. Uh, okay, let me see. 42, 42. Forty-six. Okay, this one I think we got to play very careful on this. Okay, we go for a buy. Because this time belt is going to finish shortly. So I think 40. Okay, 46, 46, 46. Okay, we'll try to buy at 46, put a stop below 40, and exit at 60. 54 is one resistance, minor resistance, but I think we can see 64, between 62 to 64. Okay, so what we will do, okay, I gave a call at 42, half lot. Okay, and that one, I think we will change it to 46. Okay, stop at 41 because 42 is the low, and the TP will still go for 64. Okay, and this one we will give until 4 to 5 o'clock. Okay, so I think we missed it. So the best thing is maybe if you really want to be in the trade, then at least try to enter at 50 or 48, you know. So 48, 50 should be yeah, 48 should be a level to think. 48 and 50. Okay, so don't think of selling this as of now. We wait until the price reaches the target, okay, which is 68 or 70, you know. So we don't think about selling this now. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'll see you again at 5, and these are the trades. So for those of you who came in late, I suggest you just take a screenshot and you try to manage it. Okay, thank you. See you again in the evening. Thank you. Bye.